Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned about part 1 to 3 of the Indian Constitution and Article 1 to 32 of the Indian Constitution. In this video, we are going to learn about part 4 and 5 of the Indian Constitution that deals with the directive principles of state policy, Article 36 to 51, fundamental duties, Article 51A, and about union, Article 52 to Article 151 of the Indian Constitution. Article 36 to 51 of the Indian Constitution, that is mentioned under Part 4 of the Indian Constitution, that deals with the directive principles of state policy. Let us see what is Article 36 to Article 51 of the Indian Constitution. Article 36 deals with the definition relating to directive principles of state policy, that is popularly called as DPSP. Then Article 37 deals with application of DPSP. Article 39A, equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40 deals with organization of a village panchayat. Article 41 deals with right to work, right to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Article 43, it deals with the living wages, etc. for workers. Article 43A, participation of workers in management of industries. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code, that is mentioned under Article 44, applicable in Goa only. Then Article 45, provision for free and compulsory education for children. Article 46, promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, STs and OBCs. Article 47 deals with the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. Article 48 of the Indian Constitution that deals with organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 49, protection of monuments and places and objects of natural importance. Article 50 of the Indian Constitution that deals with separation of judiciary from the executive. Article 51 of the Indian Constitution that deals with promotion of international peace and security. So, Article 36 to 51 of the Indian Constitution that deals with directive principle of state policy. Next part is Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. Under that, fundamental duties of the Indian citizens have been mentioned. That is Article 51A. So earlier we actually had 10 fundamental duties, but after 86th Amendment Act of 2002, it became 11 duties. Then Article 52 to 151 of the Indian Constitution that deals with the union, and that is mentioned under Part 5 of the Indian Constitution. Article 52, the President of India. Okay, so about the President, everything is mentioned under Article 52. Article 53, executive power of the Union. Article 54, election of the President. Article 61, procedure for impeachment of the President, removal of the President. Article 63, the Vice President of India. Article 64, the Vice President to be ex officio chairman of the Council of States, the Rajya Sabha. Article 66, election of the Vice President. Article 72, pardoning power of the President. Article 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. Article 76, it deals with Attorney General for India. Moving further, Article 79 of the Indian Constitution deals with Constitution of Parliament. Article 80, composition of Rajya Sabha. Article 81, composition of Lok Sabha. Article 83, duration of Houses of Parliament. Article 93 deals with the speakers and deputy speakers of the House of the People. Article 105 of the Indian Constitution that deals with powers, privileges, etc. of the House of Parliament. Article 109, special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 110, definition of money bills. Article 112, annual financial budget. Article 114, appropriation bills. Article 123, powers of the President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. Article 124, establishment of Supreme Court. Article 125, salaries of the judges. Article 126, appointment of acting Chief Justice. Article 127, appointment of ad hoc judges. Then Article 128 of the Indian Constitution, it deals with attendance of retired judge at sitting of the Supreme Court. Article 129, Supreme Court to be a court of record. Article 130, seat of the Supreme Court. Article 136, special leaves for an appeal to the Supreme Court. Article 137, review of judgment or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 141, decision of the Supreme Court binding on all the courts. Article 148, Controller and Auditor General of India. Article 149, duties and powers of the Controller and Auditor General. Article 150 of the Indian Constitution that deals with the form of accounts of the Union and of the states. The accounts of the Union and the states shall be kept in such form as the President may, on the advice of the Controller and Auditor of India, prescribe. Article 151, audit reports. The reports of the Controller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the Union shall be submitted to the President, who shall cause them to be laid before each House of Parliament. We have learned part 4 and 5 of the Indian Constitution. In the next video, we will learn about other articles and other parts of the Constitution. Thank you.